Hello, friends. I'm sure most of you have already visited Dagri Bangla from the Nathagali side. But today I'm going to talk about a different side, the Barangali side. Actually, Barangali is the next stop from Dagri Bangla if you're following the Monroe's route. So if you want to go and start from Dagri, from Barangali, then this is what you're supposed to do. Let me show you. First, you have to come to Ahmedabad. In Ahmedabad, there is right in the city center, there is a car parking called the TMA car parking, Tehsil Management Authority. It's right near the main Jinnah Road. So here's an image of the car park. The local jeeps that go to Barangali, they move here. This is their stop. So if you want to go, either get a booking from here, or you can get a jeep at any time of the day. I mean, from say 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. You can find transport from here, or you can get reservations. These people can also help you find a mule driver or a horse driver who can carry your luggage. So if you're coming to Ahmedabad to hike from the Barangali side, you can from Barangali you can also hike towards Kandiani. That again is a new unexplored track. Not just one. There are actually quite a few tracks in that forest as well. So start from here. This will take you to the main Mansehra Road. From the main Mansehra Road, you will have to turn to the Murray Road, and that would take you to Damtor. And from Damtor, it will take you to, yes, Harnoi. This is Harnoi area. So once you reach Harnoi, like even if you're not taking a local jeep, if you're going for a long drive in Ahmedabad, this is a very beautiful road. You don't have to go all the way to Barangali, the upper Barangali. Even the road to Barangali is beautiful. I'll show you later in the video. So from here, at almost the end of the Harnoi recreational area, you will find a couple of driver hotels and a road that turns towards left called the Bada Hota Road. So this place is also great because they offer very good desi ghee parathas, excellent parathas. So if you want to take a breakfast, take here. Start. Don't eat from home. Come here, take a breakfast here, and then move on. So Bada Hota Road, the beautiful road. It diverges from the main Harnoi river, Dor River, and follows a tributary, or maybe the main. Actually, the main Harnoi River, or what we call it, Dor River. Actually, is this not the one that you find towards Nathagali. So once on this road, you will reach an intersection. Here at this intersection, I don't know the name of this village, but you have to stay on the left side and follow the Malsa Barangali Road. Malsa Barangali Road. Okay, it's a new road built after the 2005 earthquake by the earthquake rehabilitation people, and very well paved. First it climbs up a hill, and then again it goes down back into the valley, and it will take you to a place called Lower Baran. So here you go. This is Lower Barangali. Once you reach there, you can find a small clinic Girls Primary School. This is as far as the metal road comes. Beyond this point, there is a jeepable track only. So either if you want to come for a day trip, come park your cars here, take a local jeep, and you can go up to Barangali Guest House, which is about 2 kilometers. But it's uphill and the road is not metalled. So that's how you reach Barangali. Barangali is a beautiful place. On one side, it looks at Muzaffarabad, and the other side, Ahmedabad. If you go to left, you will reach Kandyani, and if you go right, you will reach Nathia Gali via Dagri Bangla. So in the next section, I'm going to talk about how to get to Dagri Bangla from Barangali. Let me show you that. Here. So from Barangali town square, or whatever you call it, from where the road ends, you can start tracking towards left or towards east. At first there will be a road, and then after about a few kilometers, maybe 1 or 2 kilometers, the road will end, and you will have to climb up to the ridge. Once you are up on the ridge, be careful and keep your eyes open. Climbing up the ridge, there is one landmark, that is a pipeline. So follow that pipeline. Since it's populated area, you can always ask the people, and they will guide you to the right track. So there is a track that diverts from here, and that would take you straight to Dagri Bangla. It is the original Monroe route. This road is not so scenic, because it is scenic, of course, but it follows through the jungle. It follows the easiest gradient possible. So your mule and you can follow this track conveniently, but if you want better views, climb up the ridge. I do that. This time when I went, I just left the track. I went uphill here on this plateau or the ridge, and I took a good look around towards Muzaffarabad, Ahmedabad, and then I had to walk through the jungle. It was time consuming and grueling to get back on track. So just follow the track and you will reach Dagri Bangla in 4 to 5 hours if you're in a good shape. It took me longer, my friends also, who were in very good shape actually. So in the later half of this track, you will start following these high mountain peaks, high top plateaus or meadows. These are beautiful meadows and wonderful views. I don't think many places in Pakistan offer such vistas. So come early, spare some time to spend in this part. The track follows, here at 9,000 feet. It goes through a very pristine jungle, beautiful, beautiful sceneries. It's a bit long, but since it's beautiful, so it doesn't matter, and it will take you to Dagri Bangla Guest House. That is Dagri Bangla. So if you are a Google Maps fan, it's going to be very easy for you. Otherwise, just ask someone, ask the locals, and give it a try. Thank you.